I am Ronak. I have cultivated Napier grass of the China type on 28 decimal of the land. If you have an unused land space, you can cultivate this grass using this method. I cultivate grass to the Hazratpur Cowhat near Dhaka. I am talking about the method of cultivating this grass. At first, during the preparation of the land, 1 kg urea per hectare, 1 kg TSP and MP fertilizer should be applied 2 kg or 5 kg 1 month after the Napier grass cutting. Irrigation takes less in this grass. Irrigation is to be done after 10 or 15 days in the summer. Thank you.